Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today we're going to be taking a brief look at the XPG SX7000 M.2 SSD from Adata. Now the variant we're going to be looking at today is the 128GB model. Of course there are different models available of different sizes. Now this one in particular, the 128GB model, promises read speeds of up to 1800 megabytes and write speeds of up to 850 megabytes. Now that for the price point is pretty badass. Now the 120GB variant of this SSD is priced currently at under £60 on Amazon at the time of recording this video, which is going to be a great price versus the performance that you'll get. Now of course if you are interested in buying this product after seeing it in this video, there will of course be an Amazon affiliate link in the video description down below for you guys. Now when you unbox the M.2 SSD, the first thing you're going to notice about this is the no frills approach to the packaging, which for this type of product is exactly what you want in my opinion. You don't need all the fluffy kind of reading materials. If you're not sure of how to install it, there's countless videos on YouTube, and all you need to actually really do is just look at the instruction booklet that comes with your motherboard. Now taking a closer look at the product, we can see the Silicon Motion chip on the left hand side. In the middle we have the cache, and although you can't see it right now, underneath the sticker we have the 3D NAND flash. Now if we take a look at the back of it, you can clearly see that NAND flash on the right hand side, and we can also see a little C shape, which is the cutout for the screw mount that will be used when it's connected to the motherboard, and we can also see the remaining circuitry. Now one thing that most people don't actually talk about when they're doing these quick unboxings of these type of M.2 SSDs is you can actually go out and purchase heatsinks for them. And if you're someone that's really interested in RGBing all the things, well you can actually go and purchase an RGB heatsink for this particular M.2 SSD. So if you're the person looking for that, then go and check out the M.2 RGB heatsink from the XPG lineup. And that also works with various top brand RGB syncing software. So guys, if you're interested, there is a link in the video description down below for the actual RGB heatsink as well. Now, of course, if you're the type of person looking for the fastest, most insane RGB monster PC ever, then I will admit there are better options out there for you, but they will of course come at a more premium price. You essentially get what you pay for, and this type of SSD I think is going to be the best bang for your buck at the price point that it currently coexists. Now, of course, I haven't got the chance to do some real world benchmarks on it because I'm actually planning to do this in a future video where I actually plan to do an entire build involving this SSD, so we'll be able to get some real world benchmarks to put those read and write claims to the test. And of course, if you have any questions about this product, drop a comment down below. And of course, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I will see you all in the next video.